You think you're divorced, but you're actually still married. Well, what are you going to do about that? Well, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. You know, it's a common problem. People think they're divorced. They rely on somebody. Maybe years ago they sent something that they signed to their soon-to-be ex, hoping he was going to take care of it, and he didn't do it. You got to understand one thing. If there's no final judgment of divorce, there's no actual order. There may be a complaint for divorce, but if it hasn't been finalized and signed by a judge in the form of a final judgment of divorce, you are not divorced. Even signed papers by you does not equal a finalized divorce. In other words, they send you something, you sign off on it, the other guy signs off on it, there's a space for the judge's signature, and that's not there. You're not divorced. The court must enter the final order of divorce. So you always got to confirm it with the court, not just the lawyer who sent it to you, because for all you know, the lawyer sends it to you, you sign it, you send it back to him, he gets fired by his client because his client doesn't want to pay, and you know what happens? All of a sudden you don't have a divorce. You always got to double check. These are appropriate precautions, and I cannot tell you how many times we've had situations where people call up and they say, well, I'm thinking to get married. And we say, great, well, congratulations. Well, I don't really have my judgment of divorce, and I don't know where to get it. I don't know how to get it. And then it becomes a question of, well, what county might it have been filed in? And then we go check, and you know what? There was a case started, but it was dismissed. It was dismissed for non-progress. It was dismissed because there was no follow-up. Nobody ever did anything beyond the original papers. And that person who now thinks they're about to get married realizes that, we got to get divorced first. So that's always an issue. If you have an issue with your case, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-3333. 248